In my previous two videos, I covered Chrome keyboard shortcuts, Windows keyboard shortcuts, and in this video, it's going to be a short one. I'm going to cover just some more general keyboard shortcuts. So the most important ones you'll need to know is cut, copy, and paste, because those are the most frequently used. I'm going to hit Windows E to open a new file explorer. I'm just going to create a going to go into a drive here, and let's just create a new folder. I'm going to open it and create a new folder inside here, just so I can demonstrate. So now let's hit Control X. As you can see now that folder is selected. To cut, and I can hit Control V, that'll paste it, but it's in the same folder, so it's not going to let me do that. And then if you want to copy, you can hit Control C, and that'll copy it. To undo, hit Control Z, that'll undo it. As you can see now, it's undoing the folder that I created. No, it undid both because I pressed it twice. And for the last few, I'm going to open a File Explorer window. I'm going to go into, let's go into the videos folder. Now if you select any folder or file, you can hit F2 to rename it. If you want to quickly go to the search bar to search for a file or folder, you can hit F3. That'll bring you to the search bar. To quickly minimize all your windows, you can hit Windows M, and that'll minimize everything and let you see the desktop. I'm just going to hit Alt Tab to go back into my Open File Explorer tab. F4 will show you or let you edit the file path. So say we go into let's go into the main drive here, any random folder. Oh, that one happens to be empty. What's going on here? There you go. Let's go into that subfolder. Now you have a slightly bigger file path here. Now if you hit Alt F4, you see the whole path in one, and you can just kind of go in and go back and edit the file or change the file path by typing it out. And to close the program that you're currently in, you can hit F4, Alt F4 actually. That'll close the program. There we go. Seems like if you have something selected, it won't close the program, which is news to me. Anyways, that'll be it for this video. Like I said, it's a short one. If you want to learn more about computers and phones, Android phones, consider subscribing, like the video, and stay tuned for the next one.